I'm in my closet right now. This is my second bedroom that I decided to turn into a closet because I didn't really have any room left in my closet that's in my bedroom. I am about to leave the house, so I just wanted to pick a pair of sneakers. My outfit's super simple, just this little white shirt from Urban, and these jeans are from Zara. I have to finish also diffusing my hair because I didn't finish yet. I wanted to get dressed real quick, and then I was gonna get back to it before I leave. So I think I'm just gonna go with something really simple. I'll just show you guys very quickly. This is my sneaker collection. I'm really into shoes in general, so I love sneakers, but I also love heels. You know what, actually, I'm gonna wear these today. These are some off-white Nikes that I don't really get to wear too often. So yeah, I'm gonna put these on. And actually, this is my bag that I'm gonna be wearing today. Just this little Gucci bag, super cute for summer, orange and pink. I love it. So just got done at Bed Bath & Beyond, and I also came to the dollar store to get a few things that I needed for the party. As you can see, there's so much stuff in my back seat. I have everything, and my niece's car seat as well. I'm not a mom. But speaking of moms, I want to introduce you guys to my mom, since she's probably gonna be on my channel quite a bit, especially if I'm vlogging and stuff. So this is my mom.
Hi everybody.
Her name's Jenny.
Hi, nice to meet you guys.
What do you want to say to the people?
I want to say, keep up with my daughter here. She's a lot of fun. She's going to be sharing a lot of good stuff with you guys, especially if I'm in it. So, okay. You know, I'll see you guys again soon.
All right, so I'll check back in with you guys later.
What happened? Say hi. You don't want to say hi?
Can I give you a kiss? What? I can't? Excuse me. Huh? What are you doing? You're taking a bath? Yeah, I don't know about that. Hey guys, so I just got home. I wanted to sit down and just talk to you really quick. I didn't have too much to do today. As you saw, my cousin was over earlier doing my eyelashes, which is amazing because she comes to my house. And I just wanted to give you like a quick update so you can see how they came out. I really, really love them. I don't get my eyelashes done all the time, but obviously my birthday's coming up, so I wanted to do it because it's more of like a special occasion. I've obviously been doing a whole weekend vlog, and I wanted to make sure I got every day included just to show you guys a little bit of what I have going on and, you know, what a typical weekend's like for me. So I'm at my aunt's house right now. She also lives in Jersey, but just a little bit further out. It takes me probably about an hour to get here. And the family's all just getting here. We're gonna eat and just spend some time together. Got a little charcuterie, some fruit salad. Let's see the inside. Did we get it?
I think. It looks very.
All right, try it.
Whoa.
Is it good?
Yep.
Is it perfect?
Yep. The chocolate is like milk.
Good.